Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to easily translate any Chinese app without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, welcome back to this video. Let's see how to easily translate any Chinese app. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply make use of search app. Then type in EZ Screen Translate. Then click on search. So it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then it's going to open up to this particular page. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on install. Just like so. After a successful installation, next thing you need to do is to click on open. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on allow. So it's going to take you to this particular page. Okay. Now, before you can use this app to translate any Chinese app, so what you need to do is to simply choose a language. So right here, I'm going to choose Chinese. So I will have to look for Chinese right here. So Chinese simplified. So I'm going to choose on that. Then having choose a language, next thing you need to do is to simply choose the language you want to translate to right here. So I'm going to simply click on here. So I'm translating back to English language. You can translate back to whatever language of your choice, as you can see right here. But in my own case, I'm translating back into English language, just like so. So I have English language right here. So I will just go back. So next thing we want to do now is to make sure we turn on this particular button. So we have to click on this button right here. And we make sure we click on accept. Then we have to look for the name of the app on our phone just to give permission. So here we go. So this is the app right here. Tap translate screen. So I'm going to click on here to on it, just to enable it, or to give the permission. Then I'll go back just like so. Then I have to make sure I turn it on back again. Then I'll make sure I click on here. Then I click on accept. Then start. So it's as simple as that. So you can see now that the app is ready for translation. Okay. Now, next thing we want to do here is to simply exit from the app. Then you will have the icon on your phone screen, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to head over to any of my Chinese app. So I will go to my 1688, this is my 1688 Chinese app right here. I'm going to click on it. So it's going to open up just like so. Now, for me to translate this app, what I need to do is to simply tap on this particular icon.